Hi friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing couples yoga poses. I've been wanting to do this video for years, ever since I saw it. I don't even remember when I saw it. I'm pretty sure it was 2016 somebody did this, and I finally convinced him to do it with me. We were going to do it last week, but I had like this really bad hip problem. Like I think I pulled my hip flexor because every time that I stood up or walked, you have no idea how much you use that muscle until you hurt it. So anyways, we tried to film it last week, couldn't, filming it now. So we're going to start doing it. Yoga. Okay, so he has no idea what we're doing today. We are warmed up, right? You're warm?
Oh yeah.
I will insert a picture down here of what we are going to be doing as I show it to him. The first one we're going to be doing is pretty easy. He has no idea what any of these are, but we'll do them and they'll get slightly harder every time. Be sure to vote in the comments which pose you think we did best, and let me know if you think that we matched these poses. When we're done with the pose, I'll put like a little side-by-side image. You can vote. This is the first one we're doing. It's super simple.
Oh, bet.
Yeah. So like,
what's it called? The flamingo?
I have no idea what any of these poses are called. I got all this on Pinterest and I screenshotted it, so I don't have links. But like, these are not my photos. I just took them off Pinterest. But yeah, that's what we're gonna try. So it looks like we're just wrapping our arms and meeting our hands. I don't know.
Okay.
And then
oh yeah.
wrap these hands like this. And then like this. You're taller than me.
Pow! Nailed it. That's what that means. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That's a perfect score.
Way to go. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is slightly harder.
What's that called? Your Royal Highness?
Yeah, yes, exactly. So you gotta get down on the ground. And then I sit on you regally. So give me your hands. I don't know how they get into these poses. I'm gonna move you because you can't see if we're on the floor. Here's ours.
That's a win.
We won. We are winners.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay, the next one, you're still on the ground.
Oh, okay. I'll just... Oh, this is a happy place.
Okay, for the next one, oh, falling over.
Maybe they're also good heights for each other too.
Yeah, that's another thing with the first one. I'm like, I'm shorter than he is. So it was kind of, I couldn't touch his hand all the way, which you can't really tell, but. Okay, this is the next one we're doing. You'll see it down there.
Woo!
So you're holding my legs and I am doing
Gotcha.
it. I'm not really sure how she got into this pose because like she's facing him. So I'm thinking if I do a back bend and kick over and he catches my feet, that might work. Yeah, all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. Okay.
Okay,
we're
maybe
trying.
we're a rhombus. We're probably a rhombus. If any of these have me doing handstands, good luck.
I try to do ones we can actually do. So you're holding me and I'm standing on you. So it's like a balancing act. I'm gonna angle you up a little bit so maybe you'll see us. Lunge, baby, lunge. I'm gonna screenshot a little spot that I think matches. Make sure to vote. we totally nailed that one, right, babe?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, I'll take it. Is when I told you they're getting harder.
Right.
I don't know if we can do it, but. Okay, I just have to land on your butt.
Flexibility. Oh, I got your butt.
Depending on what butt I want to kick with, I need to be off the center. I was in the center.
Hey.
Did we do it?
I don't know, your foot touched me.
Hold on, I'm gonna, wait, what's your foot look like?
I think your butt's actually supposed to be on.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Is that it?
Oh, I can't see. If your legs are kind of split, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Woo! I think we actually did that one.
I feel like we did.
Oh, my neck, my ears feel weird. When I was in gymnastics, when I was like really little, I fell doing my back handspring right here because I like flipped too hard and something happened anyways. I fell right here. And the first thing I noticed was that when I heard sounds, they were like crisp sounds. And that's how it feels right now after falling. Like when I'm talking, it feels like it's just crisp. It's like the clearest of sounds. Anyways, we have to change my battery. So he's gonna get a battery, which is perfect. We have 2 more poses left. I'm ready to kill it without killing me.
That's the goal.
Okay, the next one is gonna be hard. So
It
basically,
almost looks like you're rolling,
yeah,
it back.
I'll
and
have to
just
roll.
Stop. Have to
But
stop yourself.
you're gonna be like this,
Uh-huh.
and I do this. Right? So let's do it. Whoa, that looks cool. I wanna see if I can do a barrel roll over you though.
Like you're gonna go fully over. Bonus points. 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. Okay, last one, you ready?
Huh.
So, do you want me to just roll on to wherever your leg feels stable?
Is your back okay? Probably not.
Ow! Ouch. I didn't realize going into this the physical trauma that could endure. Ouch. His foot on my back was like cupping my spine and like pulling it off of the center of my back.
Recovery.
My cute little athletic trainer. But it was the last pose and we did do all the other poses. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that the last one that we just did was the best. Not the last one that we didn't do.
The back one?
Not the back one, but the one where I was like rolled over your back.
Yeah.
That was definitely the best one, in my humble opinion. I'm gonna take my hair out because it wants to be out. So, I definitely think that the back one with the V one was the best. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And let me know in the comments which one that you thought we did best. And if you are a yoga person and know so much about yoga, how do you get into that last pose in a yoga flow? Like, that's my questions. Like, how do people flow this into their...
I was gonna upload that.
Oh, thank you. Like, how do people flow this into their yoga? Because I'm like, oh, we couldn't flow it.
I think they're just showing off.
Probably just strength stuff. But yeah, it would make my heart super, super happy if you would subscribe to my channel so that we can be friends. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see from me. I have a lot of really fun videos coming this October. And the rest of this month I have some recipes that I'm sharing. I have a vegan pumpkin pie recipe I'll be sharing early October. I'm really excited about some things going on. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I do post. Let me know what you'd like to see from me, and thanks for watching us almost hurt ourselves.
Yep.
We gotta put our living room back together now and enjoy the rest of our day. Yesterday was the first day of fall, so comment down below your favorite fall activity, and I'm going to leave in the description box my fall bucket list and a couple of links to Pinterest for some fall templates that I did for your Instagram story. Be sure to check that out. Follow me on Pinterest if you would like to do that. I share a lot. I'm on there every single day. It is my like relaxed time, and I've started to create some template pins and do stuff like that, so be sure to check that out. Also, my Instagram and my Facebook page for this channel are in the description box, so yeah, be sure to check that out. And that's it. That's the end of the video.
Woo.